When praise happens, we return with joy overflow. When praise happens, we enjoy all round rest. When praise happens, God gives you rest. And the fear of the Lord was on all the kingdoms of those countries when they had heard that the Lord fought the enemies of Israel. You notice that your mind is not at rest. God is telling you, praise me. When your mind is not at rest over an issue, what do? Press praise. Press what? Don't press pray. Press praise. So when you press praise button and the music is flowing and you're dancing, you have all rest.